Hello guys, so I'm going to show you my Blazing Teens 3 Yo-Yo collection. Okay, I'm going to open it. Okay, now this is my Yo-Yo collection. My Yo-Yo collection too, the title of my video, does not include this Neptune Yo-Yo. But now I'm going to make my Yo-Yo collection 3. Now it includes this Neptune Yo-Yo. Okay, this is all Blazing Teens 3. Okay, I'm going to show you all of my Yo-Yo. Lone Wolf, Neptune. Okay, so Thunder S. Okay, then Bipolar B. Dragon Slayer, Mirage, Sonic Storm, my Centaurus, and then the last Nemesis. Okay, this is all my Yo-Yo Blazing Teens 3. Okay, so so now thanks for watching. Thanks.